With each passing day, millennials are getting more health conscious, and cycling is becoming a highly preferred way of not just commuting, but also as an exercise. While cycling is considered a very fun and engaging activity, it is also prone to accidents. Governments and communities are also developing infrastructure across cities for cyclists. However, safety is a major concern as there is no real-time incident tracking. Introducing the RIDEZ PLUS, a battery-powered, compact IoT device that can be easily installed on any bicycle or e-scooter. This device is capable of automatically detecting accidents, fall, and collisions of the cyclist in real time, and send it to the central cloud control platform using SIM or local network. The cyclist can use the SOS button on the device to trigger the alert in case of emergency. The software platform shows real-time location of the cyclist on the app, which can be used to find accurate incident spot, while sending automatic alerts to the nearest support team with all required details ensuring quick response and low fatality rate. The cyclist can also get access to their performance data like distance traveled, cycling time, and riding skills on their apps. Ride smart, ride safe with RIDEZ PLUS.